This is Sridhar here. So today is October 31st. So I'm going to do today's LeetCode daily challenge. So this one is LeetCode problem number 766. It's called Toeplitz Matrix. So I'm going to quickly read the question here. So given an n by m matrix, return the true if the matrix is Toeplitz, otherwise return false. And in the next line says what is a Toeplitz matrix. So it says that the elements from the top left of the diagonal to the bottom right has to be the same number. So if you look at this thing here, so this is one diagonal. So it has all the numbers. All the numbers are same, and something happens to all the diagonals. So this one is a Toeplitz matrix. So if you look at the bottom example, so here they don't have the same number, so this one is not a Toeplitz matrix, so that's why it's false here. So I want to call this up. So let's see how to do this. So one thing is we can actually generate the indexes of the diagonals and we can compare it. So the thing is, generating this diagonals is a bit of a problem. So I'm just trying to see if it's an easier way to do this. So one other thing I'm thinking about is each element can be compared to its previous element in the same diagonal. So for example, if you look at this, I have to compare it with the previous number in the diagonal. Since this is the first one, I don't have to compare it with anything. So this is just one is a Toeplitz matrix. Similarly, when all the elements in this row will be the same, and all the elements in this row, the same is the case. So you don't have to compare the previous numbers because they are the first elements in that diagonals. Okay, and the actual fun starts from here. So this element I have to compare with the previous element, and the same thing goes to this. So I'm just going to go and code it up. So let's see. So I'm just going to define int m is equals to matrix, and m is equals to matrix of 0 dot. So this will give us the length of the matrices, and this one. So then I'm just going to write for int I equals to 0. I have to start from 1 rather. So r less than n I plus plus, and for int j equals to 1, j less than n, j plus plus. So this is our iterator, and here for each element matrix of I, j, I'm going to compare with the previous element. So if they are not the same, so it is not a Toeplitz matrix. So I'm going to compare it with I minus 1 here and j minus 1 here. Right, so if this condition is met, we can just return false. And if this is not the case, then I'm going to return true. So this one is very simple. So let's go ahead and submit this. So it works. The test cases. Let's go ahead and submit this. Ta-da! Thank you.